Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your study abroad language skills with Rosetta Stone, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your study abroad language skills using Rosetta Stone, start by visiting the Rosetta Stone website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log into your account to access the learning platform. Once logged in, navigate to the Languages section. Select the language you wish to reset. Click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Find the option that allows you to reset your progress. Confirm that you want to reset your language skills. After confirmation, go back to the language section. Begin with the placement test to assess your current level. Complete the placement test to receive a customized learning path. Start with the basic lessons to reinforce foundational skills. Utilize the interactive features to enhance vocabulary and pronunciation. Engage in practice sessions daily to build consistency. Make use of the mobile app for learning on the go. Participate in live tutoring sessions if available. Join community forums for additional support and resources. Track your progress regularly to stay motivated. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Focus on immersive experiences to complement your learning. Continue practicing until you feel confident in your language skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.